Maganda na ba ako? Pwede na bang pang-profile ko? Paano ko to ipopost? Para makita ng mga viewers ko. Approve na ba to? Hi guys! What's up? What's up? Ngayong araw na to ay ipapakita ko sa inyo how to activate community tab in our channel. But before that, let me ask you a question. Ano nga ba ang community tab? Community tab ay makikita natin sa ating YouTube channel. May ideya ba kayo kung ano ang community tab? Ikaw, may ideya ka ba kung ano ang community tab? So guys, dito natin malalaman kung ano ang community tab at kung ano ang kanyang gamit sa ating channel. Stay tuned and keep on watching. Oh guys, tara, lipat na tayo sa ating computer at para maturuan ko kayo kung paano ito i-activate.
In your mobile, open YouTube in Google Chrome. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Use Deskstop Site for this. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture and then click Customize Channel. And click these settings in the right corner and it will direct you to the settings. You will see this. Here is the privacy. Customize the layout of your channel. Down below is show discussion tab. Make sure you click the settings as display automatically. Now, open your YouTube app. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Click your profile picture and then click settings and click help and feedback. And then here, search community tab. In the drop down below, click interact with viewers on community post and then click these three dots. Now you can send your feedback. But please take note, make sure you're logged in with your account. This is what I wrote to YouTube support team. Respective YouTube, since I hear the news about community tab, I hear that it's quite useful, good, and very fast to engage viewer. So could you please give me an option to use community tab on my channel? Yours truly. Please don't forget to write your full name, which is the one who registered in your YouTube. Click send and wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then all are set. Your community tab is now activated. Congratulations! These are the sample posts that we can use in posting using our community tab. In our YouTube channel pages, makikita natin ang lahat ng mga posts ng ating mga sinubscribe na channel. Dito sa subscription tab, makikita natin ang lahat ng mga community posts sa lahat ng mga sinubscribe nating channel. Halimbawa na lang nito. Using community posts is one way to communicate with our viewers, guys. And to communicate with our viewers is one way to boost our channel, guys. So why not make use of it? Paano ba simulan ang pagpo-post gamit ang ating newly activated community tab? Just follow these steps. Mag-login lang sa ating YouTube account, guys. And then click natin yung profile picture. And then click natin si community. Dito marami tayong pwedeng i-post, guys. I will teach you one by one. First, we can mention our favorite vloggers or any of our friends, guys, in our community posts. Example is this one. Please don't forget to put mention sign. Message them and when done, just click post. Second, we can attach photos, guys. It's either photos of our behind the scene vlogs or just any other cute photos that you wanted to share with your viewers or subscribers. And please don't forget to put caption on it. Third is, we can also put polls post, guys, by asking our viewers what is our next video should be. Yes, we can ask them. It's either we ask them if they want us to dance or they want us to sing. Just like that, guys. Yes, guys, we can ask them through polls voting. Next is, we can post videos. Yes, we can post either videos na paborito natin, guys, na gusto nating i-share sa ating mga viewers, or links ng ating mga paboritong video. Pwede rin, guys. And then lastly is pwede rin nating i-post ang sarili nating video. After that, we can post it. It's either we want it public para makita ng ating mga subscriber or exclusive lang natin sa ating mga members. The most important thing is, please don't forget your captions para malaman ng mga subscriber natin kung ano ang ating na-post. Lastly, guys, is we can also post GIF. O, diba? Bongga! Yes, guys, this will really help us communicate with our viewers, especially kung may mga bagong uploads tayo or may mga bagong ganap sa ating channel. Yung mga subscriber natin ay magiging up to date sa mga nangyayari sa ating YouTube channel. Kaya napaka-helpful ng community tab sa ating YouTube channel, guys.
So that's it, guys. Napakadali lang mag-apply ng community tab. Paano nga ba natin malalaman kung tayo ay pwede nang mag-apply ng community tab? Magandang tanong! Kung tayo ay may 500 ng subscriber, ay pwede na tayo mag-apply ng community tab. Yes, 500 subscriber lang, guys, ang kailangan para tayo ay qualified nang mag-apply ng community tab. So, pag umabot na tayo ng 500, ay pwede na natin gawin itong video na to para mag-apply ng community tab. Pwede na tayong makapag-apply para ma-activate ang ating community tab. Dahil, kailangan natin to, guys, para maka-communicate tayo sa ating mga viewers. Dagdag points din ito, guys. So, wag natin palampasin. Apply na! Sana ay nakatulong itong video na to. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Guys, remember, I am watching you. So please subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.
Here, subscribe to our channel.